In this video we are going to see how to fix a simple plastic flower bed edging. So I'm watering the boundary here next to my flower bed, as you can see. So to make sure it has to be watered on the edge as well as a little bit on the outer side in the grass, so that you can have enough space for digging a trench. So this is a trench that I've dug like 4 to 5 inch deep. It goes all the way to the boundary of flower bed. And the tool that I've used to dig this is called half moon shaped edger, or a T-shaped edger. As you can see, this is a half moon shaped edger. It has pretty sharp edge that you can use to dig. I'll show you a little demonstration here. So I'm going to pour some water because this surface is pretty dry. So I'm going to spray some water using the garden hose, and then I'm going to dig it with this particular edger. All right. So now we have some water on this border. I'm just simply going to place this edger right on the border of the grass and a trench that I have dug before, and I'm just going to stamp on it with my 1 foot. And then this is how you uproot the mud, or you can just, this is how you push away the mud inside the flower bed. You can just dig it a little bit like this and then just throw it. Alright, so this is the one I just did. This completes the complete boundary. And now we are going to fix a plastic on it with some stakes. So I'll show you that in some time. Now, before doing the further part, just make sure there are no rocks or any pebbles which are lying there in the boundary. You can just take it out with this kind of tool. Just clean it a little bit. Yeah, there's one more. This is a plastic that we are going to border the flower bed with. Now before we place this, we have to lay it down on a flat surface, maybe on your driveway, and preferably in hot sun, so that it straightens up. You can keep some weight here like a stone or something. So yesterday I had done this, so it's pretty much flattened up, and you can see it's pretty straight, not coiled that much how it was earlier when we got it from the store. So now it's pretty straight, and I'm going to fix it with the stakes. So I have started fitting in the plastic, and these are my stakes that I have fixed it using a simple hammer. This is a carpentry tool hammer that we have at home, like you can get it from Home Depot, or a set. I got a set from Home Depot, and this is what I use just to knock this down. I'm going to finish it up later on. I'm going to just close these stakes so that they get curled here, and they'll hold this plastic tight. But now I'm going ahead with the one more stake here. Usually we have to set it approximately 4 to 5 feet apart, but I'm doing it approximately 3 feet, just to make sure that it holds the plastic tight and it doesn't move. So, but you can do it approximately 4 feet apart as well. So this is some extra piece of plastic that I'm going to chop it off with the scissor. Usually if the plastic is too long, you can cut it beforehand, before starting the work, installing the plastic. You can just measure simply approximate length of the boundary, and then accordingly you can measure the plastic and you can cut it off. So now I'm just putting this dirt back here. And later on it will settle down. That's it. So this is done now. I've also done this one, boundary for the tree. Just need to make sure that the dirt is all filled in the gaps, so you can just press it, make sure it is all neatly filled. Thanks for watching.